Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and let me show you how to reset the following device, how to perform a hard reset through the settings. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and go to General Management. Now click on Reset, and here you will notice Factory Data Reset, so this operation will reset your phone to its factory default settings. This will erase all data including files and downloaded apps. If you want to do it, click on this icon. Here you've got the notification that all data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, pictures, and all the other user data, also service provider app and content. So here you've got the list of applications that would be reset, and if you truly want to do it, if you truly want to perform a hard reset on your Samsung Galaxy Note 10, click on Reset. Confirm that you would like to delete all your personal information by clicking on Delete All, and now just be patient, wait a couple of minutes, and then set up your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 as a new one. And that's it. As you can see, now you can set up your device as a new one. So, congrats, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.